Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nikki. For those of you that don't know who I am, if you don't know me, then that's a problem. You need to go ahead and subscribe down below, turn your post notifications on so you're notified anytime I upload a video. Also, leave me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up, shout out your YouTube journey, and spread some positive love, you guys. So today's video is going to be a pack with me video. I am moving again, so what I'm getting ready to do is start packing up my room. I've already started packing up majority of my stuff, but I still have some things that need to be put away. So what I'm getting ready to do now is start packing my closet. I only have about 2 more weeks to get this done, and yeah, I'm not that close to getting done, but it's all right. So we're gonna go ahead and try to go ahead and get a bulk of this done today. So yeah, you guys are gonna be watching me pack, and I'm going to start in the closet.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling in love with me. Little sweet and spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet and spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, 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 oh. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet and spice. Made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet and spice. Yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet and spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet and spice.
morning. It's 2 days later, and I realized that I did not film an outro for the Pack With Me video. And today is my upload day. So, I just wanted to come on and say that I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I literally just woke up, y'all. Didn't wash my face or anything. Don't judge me at all. Just waking up. About to start getting ready for work. About to start my ACV drink this morning. Oh, by the way, I have a video for that coming this week. I'm going to show you guys how I've incorporated the apple cider vinegar drink into my intermittent fasting routine, and we're gonna see if it helps me drop some more pounds. So yeah, that's a video for a whole another day, and I'm definitely going to do a video on that for you guys. So yeah, like I said, I realized I didn't do an outro, and today is my upload day. So I know that video wasn't like in a specific room, like I didn't specifically pack my bedroom, specifically pack the kitchen or whatever. I did my closet and a lot of things in my closet and the living room, because I was just simply packing up the things that I'm not using right now and I didn't need. So that's how I usually start packing. I start packing things that I don't need and I'm not using right now, because I really have an everyday routine where I use the same thing. Have work uniforms that I have to wear, and just lounge clothes is really the only thing I need. So but I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'm gonna be packing up my bathroom really soon, so I'll definitely get some footage of that for you guys. But let me know if you guys like Pack With Me videos. I'm definitely gonna do an empty apartment tour, a furnished apartment tour, showing you guys what my new place is gonna look like. I'm so excited. Because I'm going to be back in a one bedroom, back in my space, back in my safe haven. So I'm excited to decorate that apartment. I'm actually going to have a space for my beauty area where I can do my makeup. You guys are going to see all of that. We're going to go on a journey together. So thank you guys so much for supporting me. And for those of you that have sent me condolences during the time of me losing my dad, thank you guys so much for that. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for continuing to support me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.